Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. This is critical for discovery and streaming performance. Once done, power on the TV or Chromecast and make sure the receiver is ready to accept connections. Next, pull down the quick panel on your Samsung, locate Smart View or the cast icon, and tap it to begin scanning. You're now actively searching for devices. Do this before selecting anything so the phone has a live list to show you. Now select the device name that matches your TV or Chromecast. Names often reflect the room or model, so pick carefully. After selecting, accept any pairing prompts on both the phone and the TV. This authorizes audio and screen access. If the app offers options, decide whether you want full screen mirroring or to cast only that app's media. Choosing AppCast reduces battery and processing load. Make sure volume and aspect ratio settings are reasonable to avoid stretched or cropped output. To finish, verify audio and video are playing correctly and enjoy the cast. When you're done, end casting from Quick Panel or the notification shade. If quality is poor, move closer to the router or reduce simultaneous heavy network use to improve bandwidth. If the phone can't find the device, reboot your router and casting device, then retry discovery. You can also toggle Wi-Fi on the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: update the Samsung software and the casting device firmware to resolve persistent compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.